2 decades ago, a movie named Jurassic Park envisioned a way of beating death by reversing extinction. The film proposed reconstructing ancient DNA and hatching new dinosaurs 65 million years after the last one died.
We wondered, is this possible? Today we know that it is not. After all these years, there just wouldn't be any dinosaur DNA left to work with.
But it turns out the larger concept of reversing extinction is actually very possible. In fact, some experts say it's practically inevitable.
The trick is, you need a species that went extinct more recently than the dinosaurs, and one that left some genetic material behind. There's a growing field of research dedicated to just this. It's called resurrection biology. One of the biggest boosters is a group called Revive and Restore. It outlines on its website how it could happen. No science fiction here.
First, you need to get your hands on the DNA sequence of an extinct species, like the woolly mammoth. This could come from a museum specimen, a frozen carcass, or a fossil, as long as it's not more than a few 100,000 years old.
Then you need a living relative of that species to act as a surrogate mother. In this case, a modern-day elephant.
You insert the woolly mammoth DNA into an elephant cell, which develops into an embryo, and presto, you've committed the first act of de-extinction.
Experts say that we could potentially do this with a number of species that went extinct more recently than the dinosaurs. The woolly mammoth, the passenger pigeon, the dodo bird, even plants or bacteria.
Just because we could, does that mean we should? After all, just like in Jurassic Park, there could be some unintended consequences.
Where would a revived species live? And if it competed with other plants and animals, does that make it an invasive species?
If it couldn't reproduce, would we be guilty of causing yet another extinction?
But maybe we could make it up to the dodo bird, whose name now, for some reason, means dumb. Hunting a creature to extinction, also dumb. But perhaps we could redeem ourselves by resurrecting them?
Or maybe we should just let death be death.